All right, so you've got a crack running all the way across your windshield. You're driving with the stress of wondering whether it will shatter at any moment. The harsh truth, it's dangerous and illegal. In many places, you need a fix. The first problem is visibility. Cracks create distortion, making it difficult to see clearly, particularly in bad weather. Imagine rain hitting that spider web of glass. Suddenly, your little crack isn't so little anymore. It's a real hazard. And next, the structural integrity of your car is compromised. Your windshield accounts for 30% of your vehicle's structural strength. In a crash, that crack can reduce your car's ability to protect you. It's not a small deal. Driving with a fully cracked windshield can also draw the attention of law enforcement. In many jurisdictions, it's illegal because of safety standards. Jewish, a fine could cost you upwards of $200, depending on where you live. Now, let's talk about repair options. If caught early, small chips and cracks can often be repaired quickly for as little as $60. Once cracks extend fully across, complete replacement is usually necessary. That costs jumps to $100 to $400+ Finding a reputable service is critical. Look for certified technicians and check reviews. Some services even offer mobile repair coming to you at work or home. Convenience worth considering for your busy schedule. A cracked windshield can also impact your insurance. Most policies cover full glass replacement, provided you have comprehensive coverage. Some insurers might even waive the deductible for repair to encourage safer driving. Nice perk, right? What about those DIY repair kits you see online? Honestly, they work best for small cracks, usually under 6 inches. For a full crack, a professional replacement is the best route. Those kits won't keep your windshield safe. Remember, temperatures can exacerbate the problem. Heat causes glass to expand, making cracks spread faster. Here in Portland, the combination of heat and subsequent cooling rain can make things worse before you know it. Handling your cracked windshield doesn't just end with repair. Think proactive. Regular checks can catch damage early. Most often damage starts as a tiny chip. Fixing it early prevents pesky cracks from developing into an unsafe mess. Do you keep putting off repair because you need your car? Enter the grace of modern service. Many providers can replace the windshield in less than 2 hours. Plan it right with your errands and kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Fear of repair costs can hold many back, but consider this. Avoiding $300 now is nothing if your windshield shatters on the highway. Your safety is worth more than discomfort and perceived hassle, trust me. Ultimately, your car windshield is a vital safety component. Don't ignore the crack stretching across it. Whether you live in Portland or anywhere else, make it a priority and keep those unscheduled adventures as safe as possible.